First, you will start off by signing in. You click on "Are you an accommodation provider?" button, which will take you to the sign-in page. You will input your email address and password. Please make sure that there are no spaces before, between, or after entering your details. Then you can click on the sign in button. After signing into your portal, as the page is loading, you can see on your left-hand side that there are 3 tabs. You can then click Accounts tab. You will see a list of all users you added, and it will be blank if you did not add any user. To add a user, you will click the Add Users button. You will start by inputting personal details, first and last name. Click Next to input the email address. And select the role of the user, either property admin or property maintenance. Then you will click Next to move to the last stage, where you will select a property or properties in which you are assigning to the user. Click on the property name to add it, and if you selected a property by mistake, you can unclick on it to remove. Once that is done, then click the Submit button. It will load and prompt "Account created successfully" message. An email will be sent to the user to reset their password, so that they can be able to sign into the portal. Now the details of the user you added will reflect. To restrict a user from accessing the portal temporarily, you will disable the toggle. You will receive a pop-up confirming that the user's account is now disabled. And to give a user access again, you will just click on the toggle to activate it. You can search for a user by clicking the Filter Users text box and input the details of the user. It can be the name, surname or email address. Then the information of that specific user will be displayed. To remove a user completely from your database, click the dustbin icon. You will be prompted with a confirmation dialog. Then click on Yes, and the user will no longer have access to your portal.